Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW guys X5 and you have engine oil in your valve cover, guys, it's leaking inside your valve cover pockets, they're full of engine oil. We'll explain, guys, the top 3, maybe even 4 reasons that cause that, so make sure you stay until the end. All the tools and parts that you need to fix that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now, before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Now guys, many of you asked me specifically if you have a BMW X5 and you have oil leaks or oil in your valve cover pockets, what causes that and how to fix it. Stay with us and we're going to cover that today. We're making this video because you requested it. We'll demonstrate on 6-cylinder and 52 engine, guys, but even if you have a different engine, it can work as well because many of them will use almost the same designs. So we'll explain that as we go. N52 engine has been used in BMW X5, X3, 3 Series, 5 Series, 1 Series here in the United States. It's super popular engine. So you can find it in so many cars, and we'll demonstrate on this one because many of you requested that video, guys. So coming this way, this is the top of the engine, this is the valve cover, and you can see that valve cover right here is actually full of engine oil. And now let me explain something. I dip my finger, check it out. All that is engine oil, guys. So really annoying because it will be stinky, it will be evaporating, it will get hot. So definitely you can even smell that engine oil inside your cabin, because when it gets hot it kind of like stinks, goes through the cabin filter and gets inside your car. Now what causes that? We have it on cylinder number 1 and 2 pocket, 3 and 4 as well. If it's really clean oil, maybe somebody just spilled oil when they did an oil change. But if it's dirty oil, ours is dirty, most likely that's a failing valve cover gasket, and at that point probably you will be leaking oil from the valve cover gasket on the exhaust as well. So if you have a failing valve cover gasket, guys, what will happen? You have these bolts in the middle, between the spark plugs. You can see that hold the valve cover in the middle. And let me get one of the gaskets. You may have different design of valve cover gaskets depending on the year, model and configuration, but this valve cover gasket, check it out now. For these bolts, you have that middle gasket, that's for the spark plugs, and you have bolt between cylinder 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. It's for these bolts here, and when it fails, actually you will start pumping oil from these bolts inside your pockets there. So that's very common. Number 2, many of the X5s will have actually a valvetronic motor. Not all of them, but if you have a valvetronic motor, it will be located right here. We'll have a video how to remove it, how to get to that point, actually if you guys, I'm trying to adjust it here to get it in. Perfect. If you have a bad valvetronic motor gasket right here, what will happen? That gasket will be pumping oil in your valve cover as well. That's very common as well. On higher mileage engine that's older, engine that has been exposed to extreme heat or cold climate, that can happen as well. So very common thing to have a bad gasket. Number 3, it could be, guys, deformed, deformed valve cover that's not even. And that we've seen in the past, or a cracked valve cover. When somebody tries to install it and they don't do it the correct way, they may cause a crack, and that can put oil in your valve cover as well. So those are the 3 most common reasons. 4th one, I don't count it. It could be just engine oil that you spilled during an oil change, but not very common as well, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.